Do you run a business? Do you manage an organization? Are you a creator, musician, writer, or someone who just wants to share your talents with the world? But you don't know where to start? You have tried a few things but no one is finding you online? Well, let's change that today. I am going to teach you, step by step, how to build an amazing, blazing fast, professional website that can empower your success. All in just a couple of minutes with user-friendly tools. No coding needed. Here is what we are going to do. 1. Think of a domain for your website address and check its availability. 2. Choose a template and install it. 3. Customize your website. 4. Set up a professional email account with your website. 5. Run a speed test. All you're going to need is $35 or less to get it all up and running. The first thing we need to do is go to rocketmnd.com. Go to Web Design, then Rocket SiteBuilder. Scroll down the page. You can see all the features you are getting with our website builder on this page. You can also try our live demo before you sign up. Feel free to watch our training videos. Now, we need to pick a plan. Pick the plan that is the best fit for you. All plans come with DDoS protection, to protect your website against bots trying to attack your website to use all of your resources. In addition, all plans have the latest technology of SSD storage. I am going to pick the executive plan because it comes with a free domain and 1 terabyte of bandwidth, which is basically the amount of visitors you can get. Now, it's time to pick your domain name, which is going to be your website address. We have 3 options. 1. Register a new domain. 2. Transfer an existing domain from another registrar. 3. Use a domain registered with another registrar. You will just need to update the name servers. For the sake of this example, we are going to register a new domain. Let's check if rocketbusinesspage.com is available. RocketBusinessPage.com is available, so we can register it. You can register more than one at a time. I am going to register just one for now. Choose your billing cycle. You can save some money by choosing the annual option. Next, we are going to order a professional email account. Open Exchange App Suite is a premium cloud email service that can be integrated with your website. You will need to connect an email account with your website in order to use certain features, such as the newsletter module, contact forms and more. However, this is optional and works independently. You should order ID protection if you want to keep your information private. When you get a .com domain, your name, address, phone number and email become public in a database. However, if you order ID protection, the registrar's information will come up instead. That way, you can avoid spam and scam calls by keeping your information private. Now, fill this page out and check out. In your dashboard, scroll down and click on Build a Website. Then, choose the template design that you like. I am going to choose this one. Enter your information and click on Continue. We have successfully built our website. RocketBusinessPage.com is now online. If you need help customizing your website, you can always click on Help and watch our training videos. It's really easy to customize our website. Let's change our logo. Now, let's change the colors. The colors are global, so you don't have to change one by one. Now, let's change our font. Font styles are also global, so it's applied to the entire site for consistency. Let's change this background image. Let's also center the content. We can add a design block to quickly design our page. If you want to work with another template, you can. Just go to Design, Website Designs, and install a new template. After a couple of hours, your SSL will finish installing automatically. Once the SSL is available, you should go to Settings, General Settings, scroll down and enable your SSL connection to keep your website connection encrypted and secure. You can also enable Maintenance Mode here to keep your website private while you work on it. We have successfully customized our website a bit. There is so much more we can do. Now, let's set up our professional email account and connect it to our website. Open a new tab, and go to your dashboard. Scroll down, under Open Exchange App Suite, choose your domain and click on Manage. Now, click on Create User. Enter your information. Your email address can be anything you'd like, your domain. Then, click on Add to create it. We have successfully created our email account. Now, let's connect it to our website. In your Rocket Site Builder, go to Settings, General Settings. Then, under Administrator's Email Account, click on Add your email. Now, click on Enable Emails and enter your SMTP information. If you go to the other tab, you can copy your information from there. Use port 465. Your username is your email address. The password is the password you just created. Enable SSL connection for a secure connection. Then, click on Verify. If you see no errors, click on Save. You have successfully added your email cloud server. Now, we can use features like forms, newsletter and more. Let's go ahead and add a newsletter module. You can then manage your module, change the design, customize your newsletter, check your subscriber list and more. Let's take a look at our website. It looks nice. Now, if you want to check your email account, go to Calendars and Contacts, then, find your server URL, type that address in your browser address bar, and the login page will come up. It will also work without the DAV. You can also download the Open Exchange email app from Google Play and the Apple Store. You can also click on this link. However, if your pop-up blocker is enabled, this may not work. Now, let's run a quick performance test. This test is going to be done by GTmetrix. It's a popular tool among web developers to test website loading speeds. We got a 99 in performance and a 96 in structure. That's really good. And our web page loaded in less than 1 second. Now, let's test our website performance with Page Speed Insights, which is a tool provided by Google. It's important to note that Google wants users to have a good experience when searching on Google, so your page speed can be an important factor in ranking. Great! We got an 84 for mobile, and a 98 for desktop. Wow! That's amazing! And we haven't done any optimizations yet. Have fun! Thanks for watching.